Hello and welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a delicious new aloo crispy nashta or aloo crispy samosa. Crispy on the outside, soft inside and completely unique because it's steamed first then fried to perfection. In a bowl take 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Then add 1/3 cup water. And make a smooth dough. The word nashta means breakfast in Hindi, but this one's great anytime. Rub a little oil, cover and let it rest. Always raise the dough, it makes rolling easier. For the filling, take 2 grated potatoes, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, and some coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Potatoes are the most loved snack ingredient worldwide. Now divide the dough into 2 equal parts. And roll one portion. Spread some tomato sauce. Then the prepared potato mixture. Make sure the filling is dry to avoid soggy texture. Fold it as shown. Grease a steamer plate with oil and place the nasta pieces. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Cool them down and cut into triangle shapes. Steaming before frying makes the snacks extra soft inside and crisp outside. Now make a flour slurry. Take 3 tablespoons flour and half cup water. Mix well. Dip each piece into the slurry and fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan while frying. You can even air fry this instead of deep frying. For extra crispiness, fry twice on low flame. Potatoes are rich in potassium and energy-giving carbs. Steaming helps reduce oil absorption during frying. Use whole wheat flour for a healthier twist. Add grated carrots or peas for extra nutrition. Your aloo crispy nashta or aloo samosa is ready to enjoy. Perfect for breakfast or tea time. Made right at home with love. What's your favorite crispy evening snack? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies for more simple, creative and no oven recipes made with love.